Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Easy, buddy. Look, hey, let's just get a quick picture.
I don't think he wants to take a picture with me.
Must be a female. Don't want to get too close to me.
Oh! If that's a female, we're in trouble.
Here, let's take a picture. Here, duck face. Woo, that's what's going on Twitter. What do you think about doing?
Why do you... that Bigfoot's looking at your gun.
Buddy, hey, no. Look, don't you... Look, we're friends. Look, you can't even shoot the thing. You didn't let the bullet out of it. What do you... Here, let me help you. This is how you do it.
Helping the Bigfoot
This
with
is
the
how we
bullet,
do
you
it.
giver?
Why did I do that?
Why
did I do that?
Oh my goodness. Bigfoot is in trouble.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
You better turn around and get around. Hey, I would go the other way.
What?
Get out of here, Austin. He's not playing with you.
What?
Austin, he shot you right in the buttock.